Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this time for tuning into my 3006th YouTube video that are geared to help teach you the art of technical analysis and I hope help you make money moving forward. 3006th video coming at you on a Wednesday night for Trading Thursday, June 11th, 2025. Please remember how risky trading is. Never trade without protective stops. Always put protective stops in first. Traders, guess what? Jerome Powell spoke today, and you know what he didn't do? He didn't say anything effing stupid. No stupid words from Jerome. He didn't talk down anything. He didn't say anything that would be taken as angry. We're not raising rates. We're not lowering rates. He didn't say anything to catch anyone's attention. Good job, Powell. Go out now quietly. No more yapping. So because he did not say anything stupid today, look what happened. We broke out of that bull flag number 2 in the Russell. This is today's bar on Wednesday. If you recall, we had a bull flag, the blue one, which led to a secondary bull flag, the purple one, and we broke out of that. Bravo, so far so good. This is what we want to see. So now over the next few days, let's see if they can just keep this thing moving higher. We will be buying dips if we could get a decent fill. That's Russell 2000. It's got a green Omni. What else looks interesting now that Powell's decision making is out of the way? Look at what the YM did. So your Dow, this is the Dow itself, stayed inside the F flag, just bounced around, went nowhere. Good for us because it stayed inside the F flag. I would be a buyer of dips if I could get filled in that market for trading on Thursday as well. What else do we have out there? Remember we discussed the bonds and that if interest rates go down, bond futures go up. So why would Wall Street be selling? It's a good old-fashioned setup. Well, it did start going up already. The red bars showed you the down. And now the green bars are showing you back up already. So hopefully this is all starting to work out. We'll get our end of year rally. Another very interesting market when it comes to indices is this guy here. Look at that transportation average go. Look at that chart before your eyes, kids. Is that not amazing? Just wow. So that transportation average chart is just leading the way, running higher. It did exactly what we expected in the Oscarism version of a triple top. A brief dip. Here's your dip. And then new highs get made. And a new high above that triple top did get made so far. Now we're starting to challenge some of the old previous highs in transportation average, all-time highs. Let's see what happens when we challenge that. Then there's this little, look at this cute looking market so far, Ethereum. Look at how Ethereum got above that do or die area, decided not to die, and got above. So what could happen now is you get a test back down, it holds support, and away you go. Or we get lucky and it just starts to continue higher. We'll see what's going to happen. We let the markets tell us what's going to happen. We never tell them. For all we know, it can turn around and smash back down and be here, right? We don't know that. We take it one day at a time. For now, we like what we see in the Ethereum chart. And because of you Omniacs around this world, look at the Omni trading token. My God, does that not look good? This is what we've done since its inception, right back here, the beginning of its life. It's gone up, rallied up again. Now we're making some kind of a nice looking bull flag. That's all because of you, my Omniacs around this world, and the way you handle yourselves with the Omni trading token. So congratulations to all of you. You guys are doing great. You come and buy the dips when they happen, a little at a time. If we all continue to buy the dips, Omniacs around the world unite, and we will get this to continue to do well for us. Thank you for everything you do. And remember, traders, stops are in. predictions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this helps. Omniacs unite. Stay focused. Buy those dips in the Omni trading token, and I'll show us all what to do in the other markets.